Welcome to our channel. Today we're showcasing some game-changing products that are designed to make your project safer, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're working on a steep roof or driving posts into the ground, we've got the perfect tools for you. Let's take a closer look at these incredible innovations. Introducing the ultimate steep roof tool, the GOAT Steep Assist. This innovative device is designed to provide safety and efficiency when climbing and working on steep roofs. The GOAT Steep Assist is made up of multiple 4-foot sections constructed from 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum for strength and durability. The standard compact GOAT comes with 5 sections, totaling 20 feet in length and weighing only 16 pounds. The tool features a patented soft grip roller hook that locks securely to the ridge of the roof, providing stability and safety when climbing. Introducing the powerful and portable post driver, the Titan PGD 3200X post driver. This commercial-grade hammer is powered by a 1.3 horsepower Honda GX 35 4-stroke engine that delivers up to 1,850 blows per minute. The Titan PGD 3200X is ideal for installing fence posts, metal pipe, rebar, tent pegs, and other post-driving tasks. Its self-contained design allows you to operate without the need for hoses or compressors, which greatly increases portability and reduces labor costs compared to manual methods. Fun fact: with high-quality sealed bearings and Viton O-rings, the tool is built to last and is reliable in use. Plus, the hammer is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, and the engine is backed by Honda. Introducing the Quick Point Turbo, an electric mortar gun designed to make pointing and grouting brick and stone masonry quick and easy. This tool allows you to apply mortar up to 5 times faster than traditional methods, ensuring consistent and accurate grouting. The Quick Point Turbo features a 3-liter mortar hopper and is powered by a standard electric drill. Simply load the hopper with mortar, pull the trigger on the drill, and the tool will evenly distribute the mortar into the joints, significantly reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. This gun is ideal for a variety of applications, including pointing brick and stone masonry, repairing cracks, and grouting glass block. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for professional builders and DIYers alike. Introducing Betonamit, a non-explosive expanding agent designed for the safe and controlled demolition of stone, rock, and concrete. Manufactured in Liechtenstein and successfully used for over 50 years in over 50 countries, Betonamit enables demolition work to be carried out without the need for permits or blasting licenses. Betonamit operates by creating enormous expanding pressure. After mixing the powder with water and pouring it into pre-prepared holes, Betonamit is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, providing an effective solution for the demolition of bridges, dams, concrete foundations, boulders, rocks, concrete piers, and slabs from 6 inches thick. Its application does not require special conditions or infrastructure, making it a versatile tool for professionals and private users. Introducing the Ibenstock EPF 200-3, an efficient 3-disc milling machine for renovation. This tool is designed for fast and thorough removal of materials such as plaster, paint, wallpaper, coatings, and tile adhesive. The EPF 200-3 is equipped with 3 rotating milling discs and has a large working width, which ensures an extremely high material removal rate. Digital motor control guarantees stable operation and overload protection. The milling depth is smoothly adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the tool to specific tasks. For maximum comfort when working, we recommend using the EPF 200-3 in combination with the Ergo Guide system, which reduces the strain on the operator and increases work efficiency. Introducing the Leica BLK-RC, a standalone laser scanning module designed for integration with robotic carriers, such as the Spot robot from Boston Dynamics. This innovative tool is designed to automate the collection of reality data, providing highly accurate 3D documentation of the environment without operator intervention. The BLK Arc is controlled via the BLK Arc UI web interface, providing easy control and mission configuration. The module supports USB 3.0 and wireless communication, and the onboard memory can store up to 24 hours of compressed scan data or 6 hours of uncompressed data. Introducing the Milescraft Grabber, a versatile pusher designed to increase safety and control when working with a variety of woodworking tools, such as joinery saws, router tables, planers, and band saws. This tool provides a secure grip and protects your hands while you work. Using the Milescraft Grabber, you can significantly reduce the risk of injury and improve the accuracy of your material handling. This tool is especially useful when working with small or thin workpieces where additional control and safety are required. For more challenging tasks, Milescraft offers the Grabber Plus and Grabber PRO, which come with additional features such as spring-loaded flip-up stops and adjustable multi-section designs, providing even greater control and safety when working with a variety of tools. We present to your attention the Sopec Pure Spray Line Marking System, an innovative solution for fast and precise application of markings on various surfaces. This system allows you to create clear and even lines without the need for masking plates, saving time and resources. The main advantages of Sopec Pure Spray: high application speed. The system allows you to mark up to 500 meters in 30 minutes without the need to clean the equipment, which makes it 40% faster compared to its closest competitors. Accuracy and purity of lines. Thanks to the unique design of the aerosol can and the Sopec driver trolley, precise marking is achieved without side spray, ensuring high-quality lines. Ease of use. The central location of the handle ensures excellent stability, and the wide wheels ensure straight-line movement, minimizing deviations during marking. Pekafill is a versatile permanent formwork widely used for strip foundations. It is made of thermoplastic material reinforced with steel mesh, which ensures lightweight construction and easy installation. This material easily adapts to various foundation shapes and sizes, including curved and circular structures. Pekafill is quick and easy to install due to its lightweight. The formwork is assembled manually, without the use of lifting equipment, and simple tools can be used for cahutting and fitting. Once the concrete has been poured, Pekafill remains in place, eliminating the need for dismantling, cleaning and returning, and eliminating the use of release agents. Driving steel plates into the corners of a house is a common construction process used for a variety of purposes, such as strengthening the foundation or improving the connection to the ground. The main purpose of installing a steel plate is to provide stability to the structure, especially when the ground is relatively loose or unstable. During this process, steel plates are forcefully driven into the ground at the corners of the house, where the foundation is usually subject to the greatest stress. By penetrating the ground, the steel plate prevents the soil from moving, increases the load-bearing capacity of the foundation, and reduces the risk of subsidence. Thanks for watching. We hope you've found some new tools that will make your next project easier and more efficient. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Got a tool in mind you'd like us to review? Let us know in the comments below. Stay safe and see you next time.